8/4 would be like...
Oh my gosh. I'm not even going to attempt that. Hey everybody, it's Dr. Selfridge. We have a very special guest for this video. I want to introduce you to one of my students. He played trumpet in jazz band, but he's not here for his trumpet playing. This is Srihari. And Srihari was in my middle school jazz band. Now you're in...
High school,
9th grade. But Srihari is here because he has another very special musical talent. He plays... What's the name of the instrument you play?
So it's called the Mridangam. It's from the South Indian origin. And so basically it hails very long time. Like it goes way back when.
And it's a type of drum.
Yep.
Right.
And the cool thing about it is you don't play it with sticks, you play it with your hands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
The music that I play for is Carnatic music.
Carnatic? Am I pronouncing that right?
Yeah, Carnatic.
How do you spell it?
Carnatic.
Carnatic.
Yep. It only used to be for Carnatic music, but now like people have been branching out to play like in jazz. They've been doing things with like Western music. So this is my drum. This is double. It's like a double barrel. It's like a barrel pretty much. It's double-sided. Basically, this is the cover, like the outer cover. Inside we have this just for a little bit more protection. This is the actual mridangam. Actually, both sides are made of goat skin. And then there's a variety of patterns on the outside that the artist chooses. As you can see, the intricacy here, the gold outline. It's not actually gold, but it's the color gold.
Where did you get this drum?
So this drum can only be found in India if you want to get like the quality ones, the ones that are actually used professionally. This right here, basically the body of the drum is made out of jackfruit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even know what that is.
It's so there's the jackfruit tree, right? This can be tuned. This side can be tuned. You can also make weird sounds like this.
It's almost like it's talking.
Yeah. And then when you combine the two sides together. Pretty cool with the amount of things you can do with this.
This is a conga drum.
Yep.
And it kind of reminded me when you were doing like, there's like the slap and then the tone.
Yeah.
Right?
So.
Oh. Okay. So it's like sound, slap. Something like that. What kind of beat? Is that a specific kind of beat that you were doing?
It's just a fusion thing.
Okay.
My teacher taught me it's just a fun thing to do.
Doom, doom, chick, doom, doom.
So there's 3 speeds generally what we play in a 4/4 like setup. 4/4.
Oh. 4, 1, 2, or is it 1, 2, 3, 4? 1,
yeah,
2.
so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
8/4 would be like.
Oh my gosh. I'm not even going to attempt that. Before we switch over to our sitting position, can you maybe teach me something simple that I could try to imitate? Is that the end?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How'd I do?
Pretty well.
Yeah. What we'll do is we'll maybe have you show us your traditional attire that you would wear for a concert.
Sure.
And we can like have you play something for us maybe. Would that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. Let's do it.
Okay, so this is a kurta. This is the inner lining. This is just a vest, traditional vest.
Okay.
And then a pant that matches the kurta. You can find it anywhere in India. You just go to any clothing or textile store in India.
Let's hear a performance. You're going to do a traditional...
This is just a short part of an extravagant piece, but yeah.
Awesome. Go for it.
All right. So that's just the short beginning piece.
Wow. That was pretty cool, everybody. I want to thank Srihari for joining us on
I'd like to thank you for the opportunity.
Okay, my pleasure. I think my viewers are going to really enjoy this video. So that's all for today, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give a like for this awesome performance we had today from our special guest, Srihari Raman. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.